I'm a fan of the Taycan right over there, Taycan Turbo S. I have a story today related to it. We have some electric bikes with the same e-bikes, they're called, with kind of a similar aesthetic. I feel like I'm missing one now. I need to put one on the wall right over there.
Yeah.
How
black and white?
Don't those look perfect? Like one needs to be right over there. So Porsche, hit me up. Let's get one of these going. These are no joke, by the way. These electric bikes are real transportation machines.
Are they?
Yeah. Powering, there's two versions, by the way. The e-bike Cross and the e-bike Sport, and they both feature full suspension carbon fiber frames. That's not cheap doing things like this, Will.
Right. And
so it gives you a lightweight but a rigid structure. It's going to have a mid-drive electric motor system, the Shimano EP8, 5.7-pound magnesium-cased motor unveiled late last year, 85 newton meters of torque. The two models are going to be a little different. One more targeted at the city type of transport. Oh, man, you could just use one of these for your commute.
I'm thinking about it right now.
Wow. That would actually be really efficient and cool.
And just charge it up? Well, actually, I can't use that charger, right?
No. This would just be, this would be a much more small charger.
Right.
Yeah. This would be no problem to charge up over there. One of them is more off-road optimized. Like I said, the other is more city ready. This has to do with kind of the tires and the brakes as well. But the whole thing, like you look at the disc brakes on there, it all looks very, very premium. The Cross and Sport can reach a top speed of 25 kilometers per hour under pedal assist, which the reason that number is selected as well is because that's the legal limit in Europe, which is where a lot of these things end up hitting the streets. Mm-hmm. But I think that's fast enough for you, Will. Anyway, this is the part that's going to bother you is the price. The e-bike Sport is going to be priced at $10,700, and the e-bike Cross will be $8,549. Yeah, I think you're looking at maybe different. But who knows? Maybe they'll send us one. We look in the studio.
Yeah.
Who knows? Maybe we'll take a peek at it. But I think it's one of the coolest looking ones I've seen.
Uh-huh.
I mean, you got to admit it. So, transport.